Hey V0, how do I build agents that speak?
That's easy. Simply upload your knowledge base to ElevenLabs, fork this starter, and plug in your agent ID, and you're good to go. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
There we go. Building agents that speak is just that easy. Let's have a look how we can get started with the ElevenLabs Agents platform. If you haven't already, sign up for your ElevenLabs account and you will enter the Agents platform. The first time around, you'll be prompted to create your first agent. You can choose one of the templates that are available. Let's say we want to build a customer service agent for our business. So we'll just choose the business agent here. We can define kind of our category. So say we have, an e-commerce store and we want to build an agent for our customers to help them, track their orders, maybe open a return, and kind of all the things that customers might want to do. So we'll choose the retail category here, and then we'll want to make this a customer support agent. So basically for inbound customer queries, but we could also actively, use it for customers when they're, kind of starting with their order. So let's just go ahead and call this our store assistant. We can optionally put in our website here. So what this will do is actually help you kind of scrape information from your website and allow you to get started even faster. But so let's just say your customer support assistant helping customers find their orders and answer any questions they might have. Okay, let's just start here. We can always refine it later on. So now ElevenLabs will go ahead and configure our first conversational agent for us. Okay, great. So now we have our agent created. So the next thing we need to do is we need to grab that agent ID and clone this ElevenLabs agent starter template. So we can simply here click on open in V0. It'll start off creating a new chat for us. And so it'll use this template as a starting point, and then we can adapt it and customize it to our own business model. So here, there's a couple integrations that we need. So as you can see, we need to add the agent ID. So we grab the agent ID from our dashboard, so we can simply paste that in here. So our agent ID always starts with the agent underscore. So we can save that. And then finally, the last thing we need is the ElevenLabs API key. So this allows us to generate a secure connection with the ElevenLabs backend. So again, we can go to our ElevenLabs dashboard and then simply paste in our API key. Now remember, this API key is a secret key, so you need to keep it secret in a secure server environment. So you can see here where we're using the secret key is in a server API route. So that is being kept secure here. And then we're generating this short-lived URL that we can use to initialize the agent connection on the client side. And then we're ready to go.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Can you tell me who you are?
I'm VO, a helpful assistant. I'm here to provide information and answer your questions to the best of my ability. How can I assist you today?
There we go. This is how easy we can get started building agents that speak using V0 and ElevenLabs. Let us know what you're building and share with us, your templates and how you customize it. We'd love to hear what you're working on. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.